What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about creating a SCCM collection for your SQL servers. So let's get right into it. All right, so today is a really simple video for you guys, and we are going to launch our SCCM configuration manager, right, on Microsoft Configuration Manager. Just open it up, and on your left-hand side, we are going to locate device collections. Click on that. Excellent. We're going to right click on it and we are going to select create device collection. Go for it. Do it now. Awesome. You're going to get the wizard. Let's give it a name. I'm going to give it this, pretty self-explanatory, all Microsoft SQL servers. We're going to click on browse and I am going to select all desktop and server clients. Now, this is really up to you. I should have done all servers because SQL is a server, is not a desktop. But I've seen in places that, SQL server, right? The program, that application was actually installed on a Windows 10 or a Windows 11 machine. It's crazy. But for this video, I'm going to do all desktop and server clients. We're going to select OK. Awesome. Click next here. And we're going to click on add rule. And we're going to select query rule. Select that. Awesome. From here, let's give it a name. We're going to locate and click on edit query statement. Awesome. Now, from here, we're going to click on the second tab, which is the criteria. Now, within the criteria tab on the lower left-hand side, we're going to click on show query language. And we're going to get this. I am going to basically paste the following. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, Bernardo, what are you pasting? This right here is basically a SQL query that allows us to go into the database to grab anything that is SQL server centric. That's what we want. If you want, you are able to actually click on the play button and it's going to launch this and click on run. And then boom, this is a good way to test out that statement, whether or not it's going to pick up the databases within your network, which is great. For us, it picked up BJ-SQL, and that is my database server. Awesome. Let's click on close. Let's click on OK. Let's click on OK. And let's click on next. Awesome. Click next here and close it. Now, give it some time. What's going to happen is your collection should show members count. If you have multiple SQL servers within your network, that number will go up. I only have one. That's the reason why there's one. Now, if you don't want to do all SQL servers and you want to break it down to the version like 2016, 2019, 2022, don't worry. Here are all the commands. The one that's highlighted, this one will only pick the server 2022. The third one would pick server 2019, and the last one will be 2017. Now, if you have 2016, all you got to do is it's the same command. Nothing's changed. The only thing that I'm changing is the year. That's it. And hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.